Vehicle applications. 2011 to 2010 Mercury Milan, 2.5L, 2009 to 2006 Mercury Milan, 2.3L, 2009 to 2006 Ford Fusion, 2.3L, 2010 to 2012 Ford Fusion, 2.5L, 2009 to 2013 Mazda 6, 2.5L. Double maximum protection. FRAM automotive replacement engine filter provides 2x the protection compared to standard filters for up to 12,000 miles. Easy installation. A seamless DIY replacement that can be completed in minutes. Remove your old filter, replace with FRAM engine filter ensuring it is sealed around the perimeter, replace cover and fasten. Smoother horsepower performance. Extra guard filter is designed to clean up exhaust so that the engine is less likely clogged by dirt. With a cleaner output, the engine is able to function efficiently, leading to a smoother and higher horsepower. Expansive airflow. With a fine filter media, extra guard captures various debris without hampering airflow. Filter attracts dirt like a magnet so that maximum amount of debris stay trapped to prevent entering within the engine. FRAM extra guard air filters are engineered with an advanced filter media that has been through rigorous testing and have been proven to provide 2x the engine protection than the average leading standard retail brand air filter. 12,000 miles change intervals helps prevent decreased acceleration and horsepower while helping improve overall performance. FRAM Engineering Laboratories defines the air filter category by providing a clear choice over other filters. Follow recommended change intervals as noted in your vehicle's owner's manual. Based on FRAM Group testing of filter efficiency of models CA10094, CA8755A, CA8039, CA326 and CA6479 and their standard retail brand equivalent under ISO 5011. Fit. Make Ford Model Fusion year 2006 to 2009 engine, submodel L42. 3L, make Ford Model Fusion year 2010 to 2012 engine, submodel L42.5 LEXC. Hybrid, make Mazda Model 6 year 2009 to 2013 engine, submodel L42. 5L, make Mercury Model Milan year 2006 to 2009 engine, submodel L42. 3L, make Mercury Model Milan year 2010-2011 engine, submodel L42.5 L gas. Top reviews from the United States. Great fit, ohm quality. And then some. It's an ohm plus replacement air filter and made very well.